How to factory reset your JVC Roku TV. Take the remote control, press the home button to have this menu appearing on the left side. Then we need to go down this menu and select settings. Press OK. Go all the way down again. We need to select system. Press OK. Go down and select advanced system settings. Press OK, and now we have factory reset. Select again OK on the remote control. You have reset audio picture settings or factory reset everything, and this is probably what you want. So select this by pressing OK, and here we have to type using the keyboard that is on the display. Okay, use the arrows and the OK to select the number that is over here, 1790 in my case, but on your TV, it will give you a different code. So check out the code it gives you under the keypad and type it over here. They just made this so kids cannot do it. I guess kids that cannot read won't be able to understand what to do. So go ahead, type the code, press OK, and the factory reset will start, and usually it takes just a few minutes and you'll be able to set up your TV like a brand new one. Thanks for watching. Hope it was useful. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.